How can we live without Hussein? There is no life without Hussein. How can we live without Hussein? Our holy land is Karbala. The whole world is within Azab. Our holy land is Karbala. The whole world is within Azab. There is no life without Hussein. Hussein, you are light of my eyes, and with your name I start to rise. Hussein, you are light of my eyes, and with your name I start to rise.
This memory has to remain alive for the humanity and for generations to come in the future. We have said in certain areas that the first of Safar is the day of a human rights for women, because Sayyida Zainab, the lady Zainab, were tortured in the way from Karbala to Kufa and to Sham, and the first of Safar is the day when she entered Sham. That is why that day was regarded as a human rights for women and a human rights for children. Islam preserves human rights and is against any type of oppression done by people, by dictators, by unjust rulers.
One of the reasons, actually two of the reasons for the stance of Imam Hussein was for the knowledge and action. A population that does not have knowledge or does not have true knowledge will be easily trampled by dictators and tyrants. Education and knowledge of the truth is the door to freedom of the human being. It is by proper education and seeking of true and valuable knowledge that one can know right from wrong, good from evil. After knowledge,
Ya Hussein, Ya Hussein, Ya Hussein, louder, louder your voices, Ya Hussein, everyone, Ya Hussein, Ya Hussein, Ya Hussein, once more everyone, Ya Hussein, Ya Hussein, Ya Hussein, Ya Hussein. Oh, it was a tragedy, yet a grand victory. It was a tragedy, yet a grand victory. A battle for freedom fought will outlive history, will outlive history. Ya Hussein, Ya Hussein, Ya Hussein, oh Ya Hussein, 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 Ya Hussein. Oh, proud to shout your name, to shout away.
Hussein, I am now so proud to shout your name, to shout aloud. Hussein, your name is in my heart. From it's your name shall not depart. Hussein, your name is in my heart.
Aujourd'hui, nous sommes tous ici rassemblés afin de se commémorer le jour de Arba'in et la triste occasion de Ashura. Arba'in pour 40, puisque 40 jours après la tragédie de Karbala, les femmes et les orphelins sont retournés sur le lieu du drame pour inhumer leurs défunts.
We have gathered here today, and millions around the globe have gathered together as well in order to commemorate a great tragedy which had taken place over 1,300 years ago, known as the tragedy of Karbala, where Imam Hussein, son of Ali, the grandson and the third rightful successor of the Prophet of Islam, the Prophet of mercy, peace and perfect morality, Prophet Muhammad, and many of his companions and relatives took a stand against the immoral and unjust ruler of the Muslim nation at that time, known as Yazid, son of Muawiyah, and were killed mercilessly on the plains of Karbala. حسينا وحسينا وحسينا 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 شهيدا وشهيدا وشهيدا حسينا وحسينا مالك بي علم دارم بمعين بيارم از حياة بزارم از حياة بزارم خارا خدا هزینه من زینب هزینه من خارا خدا زینب هزینه من زینب هزینه من
to shout your name until I die. For what I know is that you are the greatest man, the brightest star, the brightest star. There is no life without Hussein. How can we live without Hussein? There is no life without Hussein. How can we live without Hussein? Our holy land is Karbala. The whole world is within Azar. Our holy land is Karbala. The whole world is within Azar. There is no life without Hussein. Upon the highest ranks you are. You are the brightest, brightest star. Upon the highest ranks you are the brightest, brightest star. Within your ranks I will.
Cette tragédie, non seulement elle a marqué une fracture dans le temps, mais de l'histoire aussi en même temps. Non seulement aussi elle a transpercé le temps, puis aussi elle a laissé une place pour décrire c'est quoi le droit de l'être humain et connaître l'humanité en même temps. Cette tragédie a manifesté une renaissance Cette renaissance, c'est chaque terre, c'est Karbala. Chaque jour, c'est Ashura.
I want to sit, I want to sit. There is no life without Hussein. There is no life without Hussein. How can we live without Hussein? There is no life without Hussein. How can we live without Hussein? Our holy land is Karbala. The whole world is within Azab. Our holy land is Karbala. The whole world is within Azab. There is no life without Hussein. I hope with you I can remake.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله الذي هدانا لهذا وما كنا لنهتدي لولا أن هدانا الله، والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. السلام على الحسين وعلى علي بن الحسين وعلى أولاد الحسين وعلى أصحاب الحسين.
السلام على الحسين وعلى أولاد الحسين، يا خضيبا بالدماء يا قتيل الأدعياء، يا خضيبا يا خضيبا بالدماء يا قتيل الأدعياء. السلام السلام على الحسين وعلى أولاد الحسين. السلام السلام على الحسين. اللهم كن لوليك حجة ابن الحسن صلواتك عليه وعلى آبائه في هذه الساعة وفي كل ساعة، وليا وحافظا وغائدا وناصر ودليلا ودليلا وعينا أرضك طوعا وتمتعه فيها طويلا برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين.